Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noraini 255043. I will talk about the student attachment for Shawara Beauty and Spa. The purpose of doing this attachment is to let a student to complete and fulfill their assignment, and then to motivate and encourage students to involve in business to be an entrepreneur. From this student entrepreneur attachment project, the owner of the Shawara Beauty successfully motivate and encourage some of students to involve in business. And in addition, she also has invited the practical student to work with them so that these workers are need to expand their business. And the reason she chose the practical student is because they have knowledgeable about beautician spa and have a certificate about the beauty skill. For the total sale and the past semester, the total sale for Shawara service during in campus UUN, if you can see the item that they provide is facial treatment, eyelash, body massage, and then they also selling the product and service makeup. The total of the total sale that they the total sale during this semester is 1,150, which is only one worker, which is me, Noraini, running the business in campus using mobile spy to entire campus. After minus the cost of operation, the profit that she earned in 2019 is 847. The service offered by Shawara Beauty is profitable, does not require a lot of capital, where the service offered does not require any premise, and she only using the technique of mobile spa. This business is very convenient to the ability of students doing the business during in campus. And this is expenses, and they expend, which is the total amount of expenses is 303 ringgit. And then this is cash flow in 2019. Income that they receive for the one semester is 1,150 ringgit, and the total expenses they calculate is 300 ringgit. So the net earning profit that she earned is 847. And the sale branch for Shawara Beauty at Kelantan for 1 year. As you can see, the table show that sale by month in 2019 is the total is 26,630 ringgit. This is the graph that show the trend of sale for 1 year, and based on the graph above, if you can see the highest sale revenue in May, this is due to higher demand among the local due to the festival season. Customer want to be stylish and look before Raya, while the festival day, the employees get bonus and salary. In addition, the factor of waiting to hold a wedding ceremony is because there exists demand for spa service in April and May. The lowest sale is in June, July, August, and September begin to decline due to the lack of response from the customer. The feed expenses is total is 1,800. And this is the expenses include cash register, aircon, signboard, and the all tool equipment. The total of expenses is 20,405 ringgit. This is expenses when they're opening the premise. First, when they're opening the premise, the total expenses is 20,000, around 20,000. And this is the expenses of stock for the first they are opening the business. The total amount of expenses of stock is 1,700. And then the last one is the expenses for monthly. Show that in this table, this is for 2019 expenses for monthly. Their item include promotion and advertising, salary of worker, the rent of premise, utility, and so on. So that the total amount is 3,497 for 1 month of expenses. That's all for me. Thank you.